Hi, I'm Colleen Kelly from Family Travel. Travel games are a great way to entertain the family while on vacation. We have a lot of ideas to keep your family entertained, whether it's a plane, car, train, or even in a hotel. So get ready for today's featured game. Rollors is a great outdoor game to bring along on your next road trip. Keep it in the back of the car and get it out when your kids need to stretch their legs. The game combines elements of bocce and horseshoes. To set up the game, place the two wooden goals about 25 feet apart and divide into two teams, red and blue. Each player rolls their roller on the ground towards the opposite goal. The player to get their roller closest to the pyramid is the only player to score points in each round. Whichever side the roller falls on shows the number of points you receive. If the roller ends up at its edge, the point values from both sides are combined. And if the roller ends up touching the goal, then the point values are doubled. Use the included string to measure whose roller landed the closest. It's a game that includes elements of math but also gets your kids moving. Take it with you in the included carrying case. Thanks for joining us as we play today's featured game. For more tips in your next family vacation, follow us on Family Travel CK on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Be sure to subscribe for more travel crafts by clicking the subscribe button. And to watch our show and read our blogs at familytravelck.com, click here. Have fun making memories on your next family vacation.